Have you ever thought about starting your own ATM business? Picture this, a business model that combines flexibility, convenience, and the potential for passive income. Sounds enticing, right? That's what an ATM business can offer. This unique venture involves owning and operating automated teller machines, commonly known as ATMs, and earning from transaction fees each time a customer uses your machine. It's a business that runs around the clock, making money even while you sleep. Imagine the possibility of earning a steady stream of income without the need to be physically present or the hassle of managing a large team. It's a business opportunity that provides both financial gains and the freedom to manage your time. So, if the idea of a business that operates 24/7, bringing in income passively, has piqued your interest, you're in the right place. Well, stay tuned as we unravel the steps to kickstart your very own ATM venture. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand the ATM business model. So how does an ATM business work? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. Essentially, an ATM business operates by providing machines that dispense cash to the public. These machines are usually located in convenient, high-traffic areas where people need quick access to cash. The key players in this model are the ATM owners, the processors, and the locations. Let's break these down. First, we have the ATM owners. That's you, the entrepreneur. Your role is to purchase the machines, place them in strategic locations, and ensure they're stocked with cash. You'll also be responsible for any maintenance or repairs. Next up, we have the processors. These are the companies that handle the electronic transactions. When a customer uses your ATM, the processor communicates with the customer's bank to authorize the withdrawal. The processor then instructs your ATM to dispense the correct amount of cash. Finally, we have the locations. These are the businesses or properties where you place your ATMs. Typically, you'll pay a rental fee or offer a percentage of the profits to the location owner. In return, they provide a space for your ATM and a steady stream of potential customers. Now let's talk about the profits. How do you make money? The primary source of income in an ATM business comes from the fees charged for each transaction. Every time a customer uses your ATM, they pay a fee. This fee is set by you and is typically a couple of dollars. The more transactions your ATMs handle, the more profits you'll make. Additionally, having an ATM can increase the revenue of the location it's placed in. Customers who withdraw cash are likely to spend some of it in the vicinity, creating a win-win situation for you and the location owner. With a clear understanding of the business model, you're ready to dive into the steps to start. Step 1. Do your research. This is the cornerstone of any successful venture, and it's no different when starting an ATM business. You're not just buying a machine and finding a random spot to place it. You're essentially becoming a location analyst. Start by researching potential locations. Look for high-traffic areas like shopping malls, restaurants, and event venues. These places attract a large number of people who might need quick cash. However, remember, the more foot traffic, the higher the rental costs may be. Next, delve into your competition. Are there already ATMs saturating your chosen location? If so, it may not be the best spot for another one. Finally, consider the costs. Everything from the price of the machine, installation, maintenance, even up to cash replenishment. Remember, you're not just starting a business, you're solving a problem. And the better you understand the problem, the better your solution will be. Thorough research sets the foundation for a successful ATM business. Step 2, purchase your ATMs. Now, this might feel like a daunting task, but don't worry, you've got this. You can purchase ATMs from a variety of sources, including manufacturers or ATM distributors. When selecting an ATM, consider features like screen size, card reader type, and cash dispensing speed. Remember, a fancier machine doesn't always translate to better performance. It's essential to balance cost with functionality. Look for an ATM that offers robust security features, good transaction speed, and is user-friendly. Here's a little tip. Always consider the maintenance and service aspect. Some machines might be cheaper to buy, but more expensive to maintain. Now let's talk about buying versus leasing. Buying gives you outright ownership, which is great for long-term profitability. Leasing, on the other hand, can be a viable option if you're looking for lower upfront costs. With your ATMs in hand, you're ready for the next step. Step 3, secure your locations. Now let's dive into the art and science of securing the perfect spots for your ATMs. You've done your research, you've got your machines. What's next? The right location, my friends, can make or break your ATM business. Think of your ATM as a small, unassuming superhero. It's there to save the day, providing much-needed cash when debit cards just won't do. But even superheroes need the right environment to thrive. And for your ATM, that environment is high-traffic areas where cash is king. Think convenience stores, bars, shopping malls, and event venues. Now, on to the nitty-gritty. How do you secure these locations? Well, it's all about building relationships. Start by identifying potential locations. Once you've got a list, approach the owners or managers. Be prepared to pitch your services. Remember, this is a two-way street. You want their location, but they should want your ATM too. Show them how it can increase foot traffic, improve customer service, and add an additional revenue stream. Negotiating contracts can be a dance, but don't be deterred. Be clear about your terms. Who will cover the costs of electricity and internet? Who will be responsible for security? These are crucial details that should be ironed out up front. And here's a pro tip: offer a percentage of the surcharge revenue. This not only sweetens the deal but also fosters a sense of partnership. It shows that you're invested in their success as much as your own. Don't forget to do your due diligence. Check zoning laws and ensure there are no legal roadblocks to installing an ATM at your chosen locations. Also ensure that you have the necessary insurance coverage to protect your business from any unforeseen circumstances. And there you have it. Securing locations for your ATMs might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding part of building your business. Remember, it's all about finding the right spot and fostering mutually beneficial relationships. With your locations secured, it's time to set up shop. Step 4. Install and maintain your ATMs. Now that you've got your machines and secured your locations, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get them installed. This is where the rubber meets the road. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it might sound. Installation typically involves setting up the ATM securely, connecting it to power and phone lines or the internet, and loading it with cash. Remember, safety is paramount. You want to ensure your ATM is installed securely to prevent theft, but it doesn't stop at installation. Like any machine, ATMs need regular maintenance to keep them running smoothly. This includes replenishing cash, fixing mechanical issues, and updating software. This might sound like a lot, but consider partnering with a servicing company. They can handle all the nitty-gritty details, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. With your ATMs up and running, you're officially in business. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge to start your own ATM business. You've taken the first step into a world of opportunities, of independence, of carving out your own path to financial freedom. Let's take a moment to recap everything we've covered to ensure you're ready to take this journey. We began with an introduction to the ATM business, a venture that allows you to earn passive income while providing a valuable service to your community. We explored the business model, highlighting the importance of transaction fees and the potential income they represent. Next came the crucial first step: doing your research. We emphasized the importance of understanding your local market, the demographics, and the competition to ensure your business is positioned for success. We then moved on to purchasing your ATMs. We explored the pros and cons of buying new versus used machines, and examined the different features and security measures to consider. We reminded you that an ATM is an investment, and like all investments, it requires careful thought and consideration. Securing your locations was our next focus. We discussed strategies for finding high-traffic areas and negotiating contracts with property owners. This step is pivotal, as the location of your ATMs can significantly impact your profits. The final step was installing and maintaining your ATMs. We stressed the need for regular maintenance and secure, professional installation to ensure your machines are always up and running. The ATM business is an exciting industry with a lot of potential for growth and success. With the right approach, the right locations, and a commitment to providing a reliable service, there's no limit to what you can achieve. But remember, like any business, it requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Now it's your turn to take action. Don't just dream about owning a business, make it a reality. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for all the latest notifications for more helpful tips from Money Masters. Until next time, keep mastering your money.